everyone, so now we cook the inside of the kitchen for reduce the dirty of it. Cook like this, maybe 5 minutes, so we can take it to private the ingredient. We cook it. After 5 minutes later, so now it is enough. We take out. We take it to put like this. Lemongrass if we want. Garlic all together. We also put garlic too. Chili everyone. Wow, it's so natural to live in countryside everyone. Can you hear the sound of bird like this? Oh whoa! Oh whoa! This is the sound of bird in my hometown everyone. So now we start to fry it. We add oil like this everyone. Then garlic. Chili. Lemongrass. Sugar. MSG. Fish sauce everyone. Pepper. Then we put the inside of kitchen like this. So we add a little bit the oyster sauce. Add water everyone. continue to cook. Maybe 10 minutes later we can eat. We add tamarind also. So now our food is already cooked, so we can eat it. It smells really good, everyone. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Wow. Everyone, eat with me. So let's test right now. Really good and good. It is really good, guys, everyone. Wow. The best. This food is really yummy, everyone. You can learn to cook it at your home, and you can cook it to eat with rice. It is easy to cook. If you want to cook, you can learn from my channel from the end and from the start video until the end. And also my channel have a lot of recipes that we can cook for cooking and for eating too. So I think it is the time to say goodbye because of it is just my testing, everyone. And so now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye and thank you for watching my video. And don't forget, please have to subscribe my channel YouTube. Goodbye, everyone.